13 foods that save your heart and 8 foods that kill your heart. Today, let's embark on a delicious and informative journey through the world of superfoods and how they directly impact the health of our heart. Did you know that certain foods we consume daily have the power to strengthen our arteries, while others may be putting our cardiovascular health at risk? Imagine discovering which common ingredients in your kitchen can be your allies in the fight against heart disease. Let's explore together amazing foods like garlic, beetroot, and even dark chocolate, and reveal their hidden benefits for our circulatory system. But what about the foods that kill your heart? You'll be surprised by some items you have at home that could be killing your heart without you even realizing it. Here are 3 intriguing questions we'll answer throughout this video. 1. How can a popular spice in Indian cuisine be a powerful ally against the hardening of the arteries? 2. Which superfood can reduce the negative impact of a high-fat meal almost immediately? 3. And finally, what are the 8 types of foods you should consider limiting or avoiding completely to keep your heart beating strong and healthy? Stay with us until the end to discover these answers and transform what you know about nutrition and cardiovascular health. Let's get started. 13 foods that save your heart. 1. Garlic. Garlic is beneficial for the heart. It contains compounds like allicin, which can help reduce blood pressure and cholesterol, thus lowering the risk of heart disease. Additionally, garlic improves blood circulation and has antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties, which protect against cell damage and the formation of plaques in the arteries, contributing to overall cardiovascular health. 2. Beetroot. Beetroot, rich in nitrates, is an essential food for cardiovascular health. In the body, nitrates transform into nitric oxide, a vital molecule for various bodily functions, including maintaining the health of blood vessels. Inflammation can reduce nitric oxide production, but consuming foods high in dietary nitrates, like beetroot, helps counterbalance this reduction. Studies suggest that higher nitrate intake is associated with a reduced risk of heart problems, highlighting the beneficial role of beetroot and other nitrate-rich foods in preventing cardiovascular diseases. 3. Flaxseed. Flaxseed is recognized as a superfood due to its multiple health benefits, especially for improving cardiovascular health. This food acts by reducing cholesterol levels, which can consequently lower blood pressure and minimize the risk of blood clots, thus contributing to the maintenance of healthy arteries. 4. Walnut. Walnuts offer an interesting way to protect your arteries against the negative effects of high-fat meals. When consumed with these foods, walnuts help reduce the harmful impact, mitigating the process leading to arterial hardening and stiffness. Although it's essential to limit the intake of saturated fat to maintain cardiovascular health, incorporating walnuts into the diet can be an effective strategy to minimize some of these adverse effects. This method can serve as a valuable complement to maintain the integrity and functionality of the arteries over time. 5. Dark chocolate. Dark chocolate benefits the heart thanks to cocoa flavonoids, which improve blood pressure, the health of blood vessels, and reduce cholesterol. These compounds increase circulation and have antioxidant effects, lowering the risk of heart disease and clots. It's vital to consume it in moderation and prefer options with high cocoa content and low sugar to maximize the benefits without compromising health. 6. Green tea. Regular consumption of green tea brings significant benefits to the cardiovascular system, emerging as a superfood for the arteries. Thanks to polyphenols, substances present in its composition, green tea not only promotes a healthier heart, but also reduces the risk of heart diseases and strokes by up to 20% and lowers the chances of death from cardiac complications by 22%. These findings underscore the importance of integrating green tea into the diet as an effective strategy to improve heart and blood vessel health. 7. Beans. Beans are recognized for their heart health benefits thanks to their high fiber content. They help reduce plaque buildup and lower bad cholesterol in the body, as demonstrated by various studies. Furthermore, they have the effect of lowering blood pressure. This food stands out not only for being healthy, but also for its crucial role in maintaining healthy blood circulation. 8. Citrus fruits. Citrus fruits are recognized not only for their pleasant taste, but also as rich sources of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, essential for promoting cardiovascular health. Flavonoids, in particular, play a crucial role in reducing inflammation and neutralizing free radicals in the blood, thus minimizing plaque buildup in the arteries and lowering cholesterol levels. This effect contributes to the reduction of stroke risk and other heart problems, highlighting the positive impact that regular consumption of citrus fruits can have on heart health. 9. Turmeric. Turmeric, a bright yellow spice popular in Indian cuisine, has gained recognition for its health benefits. Recent medical research revealed that turmeric is rich in antioxidants, which are effective in preventing the development of fatty deposits in the arteries. Moreover, its anti-inflammatory properties help prevent the hardening of the arteries over time. These characteristics make turmeric a valuable ingredient for cardiovascular health, highlighting its role not only in gastronomy, but also as an important component in maintaining arterial health. 10. Fish. Fish, rich in omega-3 fatty acids, offers significant benefits for artery health, helping reduce plaque buildup and lowering the risk of heart problems. Studies indicate that omega-3 acts by decreasing cell adhesion, which is crucial for keeping the arteries free of obstructions, promoting better blood circulation, and contributing to cardiovascular health. 11. Cinnamon. Another spice that can provide a boost to your cardiovascular system is cinnamon. It contains antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties responsible for improving cholesterol levels and blood pressure. A study found that consuming half a teaspoon of cinnamon per day can lower your blood sugar, triglycerides, and LDL cholesterol levels. 12. Oats. Oats are a fundamental food for health, standing out for their richness in antioxidants that combat inflammatory proteins, helping to reduce LDL cholesterol and prevent atherosclerosis. Additionally, they are an excellent source of fiber, essential for a balanced diet, yet often overlooked by most Americans. Adequate fiber intake brings significant benefits, including reducing the risk of developing conditions like diabetes, stroke, heart diseases, and even cancer. Incorporating more oats into the diet is a simple yet effective gesture to significantly improve cardiovascular and overall health. 13. Apple. The apple is good for the heart due to its high content of soluble fibers, antioxidants, and polyphenolic compounds. Fibers help reduce bad cholesterol, LDL, while antioxidants and polyphenols protect against oxidative stress and inflammation, reducing the risk of heart diseases. Moreover, the apple promotes better blood circulation and can help regulate blood pressure, thus contributing to overall cardiovascular health. 8 foods that kill your heart. Now that we've covered some of the foods that can be beneficial for your arteries, let's take a look at some of the foods you should avoid if you want to improve the health of your cardiovascular system. To maintain cardiovascular health, it's essential to limit the consumption of certain foods. Foods high in cholesterol should be avoided, as they can contribute to the formation of plaques in the arteries when combined with fat, calcium, and other substances in the blood. These plaques can cause arterial blockages. Additionally, it's important to avoid foods that contain high levels of saturated fat and trans fat, as these are also contributing factors to plaque buildup in the arteries. Although many tasty foods include these harmful components, making healthy food choices is a necessary sacrifice to improve cardiovascular health. Adopting a mindful diet not only favors the heart, but also promotes a more lasting overall well-being. Here are 8 types of foods to avoid. 1. Soda. The consumption of sodas is harmful to heart health due to their high content of added sugars and, in some cases, caffeine. Excess sugar contributes to weight gain and obesity, increasing the risk of developing heart diseases. Additionally, high sugar intake can lead to insulin resistance, a precursor to type 2 diabetes, which is a significant risk factor for cardiovascular diseases. Sodas can also increase blood pressure due to their content of sodium and caffeine. Therefore, frequent intake of sodas is associated with a higher risk of heart problems, recommending moderation in their consumption. 2. High-fat cheese. Fatty cheeses can be harmful to heart health when consumed in excess. They are high in saturated fats, which, by raising LDL cholesterol, bad levels in the blood, increase the risk of developing heart diseases. 3. High-fat meat. Fatty meats are rich in saturated fats and cholesterol, substances that when consumed in excess can raise LDL cholesterol, bad cholesterol, levels in the blood. This increase in LDL contributes to the formation of atheroma plaques in the artery walls, a process known as atherosclerosis. Atheroma plaques can restrict or block blood flow to the heart, increasing the risk of heart diseases, such as angina and myocardial infarction. Additionally, excessive intake of saturated fats can raise blood pressure, another risk factor for heart diseases. Therefore, it's advisable to moderate the consumption of fatty meats to maintain heart health. 4. Butter. Butter contains high amounts of saturated fats and cholesterol, which can increase levels of LDL cholesterol, bad cholesterol, in the blood. The increase in LDL is associated with a higher risk of developing heart diseases, such as atherosclerosis, hardening and narrowing of the arteries, which can lead to severe cardiac events like heart attacks. Therefore, excessive consumption of butter can be harmful to heart health. 5. Fried foods. Fried foods are harmful to the heart mainly due to their high content of trans fats and saturated fats, resulting from the frying process in oils at high temperatures. These fats can raise levels of LDL cholesterol, bad, and lower levels of HDL cholesterol, good, contributing to the formation of fat plaques in the arteries, atherosclerosis. Additionally, frequent consumption of fried foods is associated with an increase in blood pressure and the risk of obesity, both risk factors for heart diseases. Therefore, to maintain heart health, it's advisable to limit the intake of fried foods. 6. Processed meats. Processed meats, such as sausages, hams, salami, and bacon, are harmful to heart health due to their high content of saturated fats, cholesterol, and especially sodium. Additionally, during the curing process, preservatives such as nitrates and nitrites are added, which can transform into harmful substances like nitrosamines, potentially carcinogenic. 7. Whole milk and cream. Whole milk and cream contain high amounts of saturated fats and cholesterol. When consumed in excess, these products can increase LDL cholesterol, bad levels in the blood. This increase contributes to the formation of fat plaques in the artery walls, a process known as atherosclerosis. Atherosclerosis can lead to the narrowing or blockage of arteries, reducing blood flow to the heart and increasing the risk of heart diseases, such as myocardial infarction and stroke. Therefore, it's recommended to moderate the consumption of these products to promote cardiovascular health. 8. Ice cream. Ice creams can be harmful to heart health due to their high content of saturated fats, sugars, and calories. Saturated fats increase levels of LDL cholesterol, bad, in the blood, which can contribute to the development of fat plaques in the arteries, atherosclerosis, increasing the risk of heart diseases. Additionally, excess sugars can lead to weight gain and obesity, risk factors for high blood pressure, type 2 diabetes, and heart disease. Therefore, it's advisable to consume ice creams in moderation and opt for healthier alternatives to protect heart health. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.